Bulgaria. It is a beautiful country and a very interesting destination. We retired and moved to Burgas, Bulgaria 1 year ago, and we love it more and more every day. Bulgaria is a foreigner-friendly country. It has the most affordable cost of living in Europe. It's very safe, very little or no crime. There's no bums or drugs, and people are very nice and friendly. Burgas is the most prosperous and best-run city in Bulgaria and is somewhat different than the rest of Bulgaria. In our opinion, it is the most European and the best city in Bulgaria. Bulgaria has a low crime rate, so you won't have to worry about your safety or your wallet like in many other countries. The climate is perfect. We enjoy a variety of activities all year long. A day in Bulgarian retirement is definitely a quiet one. Our day-to-day may consist of a cold beer in the park or a glass of wine in the evening with friends.
Well, everybody, yeah, everybody, yeah. Take it up to the top, man, the party never stop. Make it loud, make it real, let them know that we're here. Well, everybody, yeah, everybody, yeah. Throw your hands in the air, and if you do and if you dare, turn it up, shake it down, and the world will spin another round. Feel the beat, tap your feet, now we're just begun. Check the time, sing the rhyme, this is how it's done. Everyone hit the floor, now we're really gonna get things started. Yeah, we'll get things started now. See the light shining bright like a superstar. Reaching high for the sky like I know you are. Every day there's a way and we're really gonna get things started. Well, everybody.
The Sea Garden Park is the best park we have ever been to, and it is 130 years old, We love walking and biking in this park.
Sing around, this is how it's done. Everyone hit the floor, now we're really gonna get things started. Well, everybody, yeah, everybody, yeah. Take it up to the top, may the party never stop. Make it loud, make it cool, let it know we're here. Well, everybody, yeah, everybody, yeah. Throw your hands in the air, and if you do, and if you dare, turn it up, shake it down.
We do travel a lot. For a traveler, it is a perfect home base. It's close to many destinations. For example, Turkey, Greece, Romania, they're all within a short drive away, not to mention a short 1 to 2 hour flight to anywhere in Europe.
Oh yeah, it's nice and cool.